If you're a YouTuber or a vlogger looking for that sweet spot between smartphone convenience and pro camera quality, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II is still a serious contender. Now, the Mark III is coming out soon, but if you want to save a lot of money and get an excellent camera, the Amazon Renewed store also sells it. For vloggers specifically, the flip-up touchscreen is a game changer, and it's the main reason I stick to this series. Many years back, I had the Mark I as well. The benefit is you can see yourself while filming, tap to focus, and adjust settings quickly without diving into complicated menus. It keeps solo shooting simple, which is exactly what you want when you're filming on the go. The standout feature here is the 1-inch sensor paired with a bright f1.8 to 2.8 lens. This means beautiful background blur, better low light performance, and that soft, flattering look that instantly makes your videos feel more polished than phone footage. If you film indoors, in cafes, or during golden hour walks, this camera handles it gracefully. Autofocus is fast and reliable for fast tracking, and the built-in image stabilization helps smooth out handheld shots. It's also compact, small enough to throw in a bag or even a large pocket, ideal if you don't want to carry around bulky gear. It's not overloaded with complicated pro features, and honestly, that's part of the appeal. It's approachable. You can grow into it without feeling overwhelmed. Yeah, the G7X Mark II has earned its reputation for a reason. Recommend.